Tomo Credit Card Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? Most people think you need a credit score to get a credit card, but Tomo was built to prove that idea completely wrong. And the surprising truth about Tomo is that it may be one of the easiest ways to start building credit in 2025, if you understand how it actually works. Tomo is designed for people with no credit history, thin credit files, or recent immigrants who are tired of being rejected by traditional banks. Instead of checking your credit score, Tomo connects directly to your bank account and evaluates your cash flow. That means your income, account balances, and spending patterns matter more than your credit history. This alone already sets Tomo apart from most beginner credit cards. Here's what makes it interesting. Tomo does not charge interest. That sounds unbelievable at first, but it is true. You are required to pay your balance in full every month, which removes the risk of high interest charges and debt spirals. You can use the card like a normal credit card, but you must keep enough money in your linked bank account to cover your spending. There is no annual fee. There is no security deposit. There are no late fees or foreign transaction fees either. Most people get this wrong, but Tomo also reports your payments to major credit bureaus, which means every on-time payment helps build your credit profile. For someone starting from zero, this can be powerful. But there is a catch. Tomo works almost like a debit card with credit reporting benefits. You do not get a revolving balance option. If you don't have steady income or a consistent bank balance, Tomo may limit your spending power. Your credit limit is determined by your cash flow, and if your income fluctuates, your available credit can change. Another thing to know is that Tomo does not offer rewards like cashback or travel points. This card is not meant to be exciting. It is meant to be practical, safe, and beginner-friendly. If your goal is to maximize perks, Tomo will feel boring. But if your goal is to get approved, build credit, and avoid debt, Tomo suddenly becomes very attractive. Imagine a college student with no credit history. Traditional banks decline the application. Tomo can approve that student as long as there is steady income from part-time work. Over time, those monthly payments build a credit score that opens doors to better cards in the future. Now here is the surprising truth. Many people who use Tomo for just 6 to 12 months can qualify for mainstream cards with better rewards. Tomo is not meant to be your forever card. It is meant to be your stepping stone. However, Tomo may not be ideal if you live paycheck to paycheck with unpredictable income. Since your bank balance determines your spending power, there is less flexibility than traditional credit cards. Also, if you want to carry balances and spread payments over time, Tomo will not work for you. So is Tomo worth it in 2025? If you are new to credit, rebuilding, or an immigrant with no US credit file, Tomo can be an excellent starting point. It is safe, transparent, and designed to help you grow, not trap you in debt. If you already have established credit and want rewards, Tomo is probably not for you. The bottom line is simple. Tomo is not flashy, but it is effective. If your goal is to build credit cleanly and quickly without paying fees or interest, Tomo may be exactly what you need to start your financial journey on the right foot.